In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add expense categories in QuickBooks. Clear expense categories help you organize spending, keep reports accurate, and speed up bookkeeping. First, go to QuickBooks. Open QuickBooks Online in your browser and sign into the company file you want to work on. If you manage multiple companies, confirm you're in the correct one and make sure your user role has permission to manage the chart of accounts. Next, click on Chart of Accounts. You'll find it from the left navigation under Bookkeeping or Accounting, then Chart of Accounts. This is where QuickBooks stores every account your books use, including the categories that appear when you record bills, checks, and expense transactions. Now click on New Account. This opens the form where you define the new category. Think of this as creating a dedicated bucket for a type of spending so it shows up consistently in your profit and loss. Go to Choose the account type. The account type determines how the category behaves on your reports. For expense categories, you'll want it to roll up on the profit and loss as money going out. Click on Expenses, then fill out the details and click Save. Start with a clear name, like office supplies, software subscriptions, or travel, whatever best describes the cost you'll track. Choose a detail type that most closely matches the purpose of the spending. This helps with standardized reporting. If this should live under a broader category, select Subaccount and pick its parent, such as putting software subscriptions under utilities or office expenses depending on your chart. Add a short description if you want to guide teammates on when to use it. Leave the opening balance blank for new expense categories. You typically don't start expenses with a balance. If your organization uses account numbers, enter one that fits your numbering scheme so reports sort neatly. Before you save, take a moment to scan your existing list to avoid duplicates. If a similar category already exists, consider reusing it to keep your reports clean. Select Save. QuickBooks will add the new category to your chart of accounts, and it will now appear in the category or account field when you create expenses, bills, checks, or vendor credits. If you ever need to tweak the name, detail type, or parent, return to the chart of accounts, locate the account, and edit it. That's it. You've created a precise expense category that keeps your books organized and your reporting clear.